roses on the stone, your name cut into the cold. My knees hit dust and gravel, I spit blood at the sky. Why them, not me? My hands shake over the date. 2 lines, 1 dash, that's fate. I feel the earth move under, like every prayer just broke in my throat. You were gone in a heartbeat, and my faith went black, but your cross cut through the ruin, held me when I cracked. I still scream at the silence, still drown in what I lack. But you carry what I can't, with these thorns in my hands. I see your empty chair, fork on the plate still there. Every laugh is a ghost rattling down the hall of my chest. I punch holes in the night, ask if heaven heard their cry. Were you there in that last breath, or did you turn your face away from us? Why did you take them? I tear at my skin like a veil. If love never fails, why do I feel like hell? You were gone in a heartbeat, and my faith went black, but your cross cut through the ruin, held me when I cracked. I still scream at the silence, still drown in what I lack. But you carry what I can't, with these thorns in my hands. If you wept at the grave, then weep with me now. If you swallowed up death, then show me how. I laid out my rage on your wounded side. You lost it all once, so I don't lose my mind. I won't curse your name through the blood and the blame. I raise my scars like a banner in the shadow of the grave. My heart is a war, but your love is the hammer. Crush my doubt like stone, till our names sing together. You were gone in a heartbeat, but that held not lost. Every tear I taste like salt runs back to the cross. I still scream at the silence, still feel every cost. But you carry what I can't, with these thorns in my hands, till I see their face where the wounds all mend. I will cling to grace till the grave gives them back again.